Good morning, first graders. Welcome to day 2 of Learning at Home. I hope you're having a fabulous Thursday, and I hope you're learning lots. Today, we're going to continue our work with addition. Now, the presentation that I'm going to show you might look a little same from yesterday's. So we're going to continue our work. Even though it looks similar, I changed the problems. I was trying to be a little tricky with you guys. Are you ready to be math detectives? Are you ready to be math detectives? All right, I knew you were ready. Let's start. Give me one quick moment to pull it up. There we go. Excellent. So now we're going to continue our work of talking about the tools we can use. Now that you're home and learning on your own with the help of your parents or maybe some friends or friends of your parents, I want to make sure that you have the right tools to use. So we're going to continue our talk of tools so that you guys become professionals at learning them to solve addition problems. So for today, we're going to continue and we're going to talk about adding numbers 5 through 10. So that means addition problems involving numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last but not least, number 10. So if we have the problem 7 plus 3, what would that answer be? I wonder, what's a strategy we could use? Our fingers. Let's try our fingers. So if I have 7 plus 3, how many fingers should I put up first? 7 plus 3. I think I'm going to start with the bigger number. So let's put up 7 fingers. Can you do it with me? I bet you can. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers are up. Now let's put 7 in our calculator. Put that in your calculator and count on. So 7 plus 3. So count on by 3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Great job being math detectives. All right, let's continue on learning our next strategy or tool that we can use to solve addition problems. Ooh, just like yesterday, the first tool or second tool after using our hands or fingers is the 10 frame, but the problem changed. 4 plus 6 equals, I wonder what it equals. So just like yesterday, the 4 is green. How many green dots do we need? 4. Count how many green dots we need as I place them down. 1, 2, 3, and last but not least, number 4. How many blue dots do we need? Let's count out 6 blue dots. 1, 2, make sure you're counting with me. 3, 4, 5. Do I have enough circles? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I don't. Let's add one more. That's a great tool that I just used. If I wasn't sure if I had enough blue circles down, I went back and counted them. You can do that too when you're completing addition problems. So if I have 4 green circles and 6 blue circles, how many do I have in all? Let's count. 4. Let's put 4 in our calculator and count on. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 circles. So the answer is dun, 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 10. Now, I know you've had a lot of work with 10 frames, 10 frames. So if you know that your 10 frame is filled, that means you have 10 circles in your 10 frame, 10 in all. Let's see our next tool for addition problems. Our next tool is tally marks. So how many tallies do we need? Let's check. How many green tallies do we need? We have 6 plus 4. The green number is 6, so let's write 6 tallies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tallies. How many blue tallies do I need? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have 4 blue tallies? Do I have all that I need? The number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, I have 4 blue tallies. Now our next task is to count our tallies. So if we have this group right here, that means we have 5 tallies. So we can count 5, 6, put 6 in our calculator and count on. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many tallies do we have? 10. The answer is 10. You want to know something that I noticed? Our number sentence here says 4 plus 6 equals 10. But our number problem here says 6 plus 4. These two numbers, 6 and 4, just switched places in this problem, and it still equals 10. Both of them do. All right, let's check our next strategy or tool we can use for addition problems. Ooh, we have draw a picture. Our number sentence reads 3 plus 3 equals blank. I noticed 3 plus 3. It's a doubles problem. Let's draw. What shape do I want to draw today? I'm going to do squares. So how many squares, green squares, do I need? How many green squares do I need? 3. Count with me as I draw them. 1, 2, and lastly, 3. How many fish do I need? We're going to do blue fish. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fish. Now, what do we need to do? I'll give you some think time. That's right, we need to count all the pictures that we drew. Let's count. Count with me. So we have 1, 2, 3 boxes or squares. Put 3 in your calculator and count on. So 3, 4, 5, 6. What's our answer? 6. 3 plus 3 equals, dun, 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 6. Nice work. Ooh, our last strategy. So the tools that we went over were, we can use our fingers to solve addition problems. We can use a 10 frame to solve addition problems. We can use tally marks. We can draw pictures to help us solve addition problems. And lastly, we can use a number line. Now, these are all tools that we can use if we don't have cubes to help count us. You can always draw a 10 frame and draw pictures in the 10 frame. So these are excellent tools to use at home if you don't have cubes to help you count. So let's focus back on our number line. Our problem says 2 plus 8 equals blank. Because I know you've had work, I know that with a number line, I know that we need to start at 2. Now, how many jumps do we need to make? We just circled the 2, so that means we need 8 jumps. Holy moly, that's a lot of hopping. Can you count with me as we hop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work, we did 8 hops. Now remember, to show our work, we want to write the numbers above our hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what number did we end at? Let's check the end of our hops, and we stopped here. That means our answer is 10. Let's write the answer down. 10. Nice work being math detectives. Now that we went over our tools, we can continue to do our math on our own. So just like yesterday when you had a St. Patrick's Edition page to do, coloring page to do, with working with numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you have an addition coloring page to do today too. Another St. Patrick's Day one, since Tuesday was St. Patrick's Day. So for this addition page, you're going to be working with numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're going to have to I'm going to challenge you. Are you up for the challenge? I think you are. I'm going to challenge you to use some of the tools that I taught you. I bet you can use all of the tools that I taught you. You could draw a 10 frame. You could draw pictures. You could draw tally marks. You could use a number line. You could draw your own number line. And you can use your fingers. I think this is an excellent way for you to practice with your addition problems. So get your crayons out. Once I end this video, get your crayons out, get your paper from your red folder, and I can't wait to see your good work and how great of artists you are when I see your work on Monday and your parents drop it off. Have a great day, first graders, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.